Good day, everyone. My name is Stephanie A. Daven, and now I'm going to discuss the Philippine budget making process. There are four phases in budget making process. And the first phase is budget preparation. It is the initial phase of budget calls that involves agencies preparing a budget based on approved ceilings and parameters, considering economic targets, expenditure levels, revenue projection, and financial plans. Congress, Judiciary, Constitutional Commission, and executive agencies submit proposal to DBM for review consolidation. President approves budget of expenditure and sources of financing or BESF, the National Expenditure Program or NEP. As I speak just now, it is the first phase of budget making process is budget preparation. It begins with issuance of budget call by the Department of Budget Management or DBM. It also outlines the priority areas of government activity which are applicable for budget year, and DBM summarizes for proposal and submit an analysis and recommendation before the submission to Congress. And the second phase is budget legislation. The NEP and BESF submitted to Congress. House of Representatives hold Committee on Appropriation hearings and the crop of General Appropriations Bill or GAP. Senate holds a Committee on Finance hearing and propose amendments to the GAB. A bicameral conference committee is convened to reconcile conflicting provision to House of Senate version. The reconciled version sent to the President signs the Annual General Appropriations Act or GAA. The President can also veto version of the GAA. In this phase, where the executive budget proposal is passed to the legislature, where members may then debate after the approve of final budget and it first reviewed by the House of Representatives, then pass it to the Senate, which they make their own adjustment by disagreeing provisions in amendments will be discussed by bicameral committee. And the next phase is budget execution. Based on the GAA, the DBM issues allotment to agencies. On the basis of allotment, agencies conduct the necessary procurement process to enter into contractual obligation, mindful of expenditure, ceilings set by appropriations, and allotments of the agency. And once of the contractual deliverables are met, agency that can disburse their payment to their constructor. Uh, in this phase, it covers the various of operational aspect of budgeting as one of the principal tools for management control to ensure public funds are spent only for specific purpose which they are intended. This is where the people or money is actually spent. Budget accountability is the last phase, and it involves agencies being accountable for received funds. DBM requires monthly or quarterly budget accountability reports, including BARs, which shows how funds are used to identify performance target. Auditing is conducted by COA, confirming agencies' performance and addressing the funds and usage issues. The following hearings held by Congress to evaluate the use of funds, official may subject to administrative or judicial charges if the mismanagement of funds. This is the last phase, and it's all about the reviews and financial reports such as performance targets and outcome. Accountability reports reviews of performance of agencies and audit which will conducted by the COA. This was also to ensure that the government funds were uh, utilized effectively and efficiently in accordance for its extended purpose for its allocations. And in case of non-compliance with the reporting requirement after the three call-up letters from the DBM shall strictly inform no report no release policy. Under Section 57, failure to submit report means automatically cause for suspension of payments of their salary of official employees who violates the provisions of this section, and also disciplinary action that may be instituted against such hearing officials or the employee for public disclosure process posting report should every month to create a citizen engagement and review for performance tasks. The mid-year report would be done in August to September. The COA will conduct an audit in the following years.